Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will grill the best stuffed mushrooms ever. So let's get to it. First, we start by peeling our champignon mushrooms. We usually don't wash them. Next, we clean and cut the white onions in half. We use bigger onions and we will use its scales, leaves individually. These will be the base of our stuffed mushrooms. For this delicious recipe, we will sear some bacon until it gets golden and crisp. When the bacon is ready, we take it off the heat and we grill the mushrooms on both sides. We season them with salt and ground pepper. Now comes the fun part. We add the cheese in the middle and the base will be a leaf of onion. We put them back on the grill until the cheese melts. Last, we add some delicious bacon and voila! Our delicious stuffed mushrooms are ready. Next time when you want to grill something delicious, go ahead and make this recipe. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. See you on the next one.